Most people overcomplicate precious metals investing and overpay. Here are the 5 things that matter. Precious metals investing is simpler than the myths make it sound. You don't need a huge minimum to start, and you don't have to predict the perfect price to be successful. A gold IRA isn't too complex, but it does follow clear IRS rules, which is why most home storage promises don't hold up. Fees also aren't mysterious if you ask for a written schedule, and it's not coins only. Bars and certain coins both work. The best way to invest depends on whether you want direct ownership, retirement account tax treatment, or trading convenience. Physical bullion is straightforward because it's just a purchase, not an account. A gold IRA adds a required custodian and depository, plus IRS purity rules, usually 99% or higher for gold. Many 401ks are eligible for rollovers into an IRA. If you prefer paper exposure, ETFs require a brokerage account, and mining stocks add normal equity risk on top of metal prices. To avoid overpaying, think like a shopper who checks the sticker price and the dealer's markup separately. Start with spot price, then compare premiums by the exact product, because a 1-ounce coin can price very differently than a similar bar. Fractional coins often carry noticeably higher premiums, so convenience has a cost. Also, plan for the bid-ask spread, since you'll sell for less than you buy. Use a dealer for purchases and a custodian for any IRA metals. Once you choose an IRA route, the process has a real timeline and a few friction points you should expect. Funding and setup often take about 2 to 4 weeks, and the purchase usually happens only after the account is funded. Price lock windows can be short, so delays matter. Your built-in friction cost is the dealer spread, not a hidden conspiracy. Storage choices can change your annual fees, and when you sell, settlement often takes about 3 to 7 days, not minutes. Most expensive mistakes come from mixing up the rules, the costs, and the exit plan. In an IRA, buying the wrong metals can create a compliance problem, and the home storage pitch can trigger red flags. Many people confuse premiums with the bid-ask spread, then wonder where the money went when they sell. Others ignore ongoing custodian and storage fees, which quietly compound. Watch out for indirect rollovers and their deadlines. And before you buy, verify the buyback process and what pricing it uses. Fractional coins can carry much higher premiums than 1-ounce products, even from the same dealer. If you want a personalized match based on your investment size and goals, plus the real dollar cost difference between providers over 5 and 10 years, use the Smart Investor Gold Investing Agent. It's free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link is in the description.